Hi everyone, welcome to Sweet Treasures by Cindy. Nice to see a summer video in this snowy place called Canada. It is definitely a colder time of year. Everything's covered in Godrich, where this was filmed in Lake Huron. This is quartz, and we're finding some nice little pretties, and we are going to have some time to just listen to the waves, see the blue skies, leaves on the trees, and take a look here at some of the findings. Found a piece of pottery, no markings on it, but that's always kind of curious where it came from. Here's a glass. I'm thinking this came from a beer bottle. Ooh, a little sharp, not necessarily one I would keep. Back in the water. Here we go. Let's see what we find here. A little pudding stone. Some bright jasper on it. More like a pebble. Let's focus in on it. Take a minute here to do that. There we go. I've been looking back at videos. I hope you're enjoying the channel. It's been different for me looking at rocks. Unfortunately, they're all snow and ice covered. The waves here are just stunning. Look at that. During this visit, we did find, as you saw, some glass, but there's fossils. Look at this one. We're going to get a still shot soon so you can see the details. It was really heavy. I'm thinking it's a cross-section of a horned coral. Let me know what you think. "2025 summer had a cute little specimens like this. In the beginning of the video, saw one like that. I'm thinking that's basalt, but it had a nice golden quartz within. I think that it was very similar to the one in the beginning. Maybe it was from the same rock. "2025 had a lot of sand on the beach this year, more than it has in other years. Seagulls were gorgeous there. Look at that. Oh, nice waves bringing in some nice specimens. This one was my favorite. I would think that's a nice good chunker of unakite. Look at that bedeau. So pretty. Banding is gorgeous. Sunny day here. You can see the big boulders along the bank here of Lake Huron and Godrich. The waves still rolling in. Thought we'd take another view from this side. Don't usually show this side of the lake because it's so close to the parking lot. But we'll get clearer here. But take a look at the crinoids that are on these boulders. Didn't want to chisel those out. Wanted to keep them there for the next visit and for others to enjoy. Hoping this video created a space of mental peace and color and vibrancy during these snowy days here. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you soon.